akin hindi.
Yes.
I'm not in favor of amending it because now it has been interpreted in the manner that we think is consistent with the original intent of the law.
Sir,
So
doon
yung
naman
mga-
sa issue, sir, ng GCTA for sale, how do you think will the new IRR impact, sir, on the
You can have all the good laws in the world, but if the implementers will monkey around with it, wala kang magawa. It's just a question of making them responsible for what they did.
So yung mga IRRs ba ng batas can be reviewed anytime? Can be revised anytime?
Can be revised anytime by those who crafted it. In other words, the rules and regulation can be revised by the Department of Justice. The only prohibition is you cannot make a regulation which is prejudicial to the accused and make it retroactive, effective retroactively.